Hi friends, so for our phonics video today, we are going to be doing 3 different things together. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to review the new rule that we learned last week about bonus letters and the glued sound all. Then we're going to play a game called Does It Need a Bonus Letter? And finally, we are going to read some nonsense words together. That means words that are totally made up and silly. All right, let's get started. So let's start with the review of our new rule that we learned. How do I know when I should use a bonus letter? Well, it needs to meet all of these requirements. The word needs to be one syllable. So those are words where your chin only touches once. Ball, sell, will. One syllable words. Next, the vowel needs to be short. That means it's not saying its name, it is making its sound. So A would say ah, E would say eh, I would say eh, O would say ah, and U would say Those are the short sounds. And if it ends with L, S, F, and sometimes Z, then it gets a bonus letter. So what about Z? I said that sometimes Z words get a bonus letter. And you know how Y is only sometimes a vowel? Z only sometimes has a bonus letter. Let's look at some examples. This word, buzz, has 2 Z's, and it's one syllable with a short vowel, so it follows the pattern and it gets a bonus letter Z. Same with this word, fizz. One syllable, short vowel, and it gets a bonus letter. But here's some exceptions. This word is quiz, quiz, but it only has 1 Z. Or what about our favorite art teacher, Liz? Is only has 1 Z. So those words can sometimes have 2 and sometimes have 1. We just have to pay extra careful attention and see if we can remember the exceptions. And what if the short vowel in the word is an A? Well, then we have a glued sound. All. That double bonus L changes the A sound. So instead of saying owl, we say all. Whenever these words are together, they stick together and make one sound, all. And here are a few examples. Call, ball, tall. And now that we've reviewed, it's time for us to play a game called Does It Need a Bonus Letter? I'm going to say a word and you say if it needs a bonus letter. Then I'll show you the word and you can see if you got it right. Ready? Okay, I'm secretly writing the word down. The first word is puff. Does puff need a bonus letter? If you said yes, you were correct. F. The vowel is making its short sound. It's a 1-syllable word and it ends in F, so it gets a bonus letter. Okay. Next. Zip. Does the word zip need a bonus letter? What do you think? If you said no, you were correct. When a word ends in P, it doesn't need a bonus letter. So zip just has 1 P. All right, 2 down, a few more to go. The next word is kiss. Do you think the word kiss needs a bonus letter? If you said yes, you were right. Kiss. One syllable. The vowel is making its short sound and it ends in S. So we give it a bonus letter S. Kiss. Next, the word yes. If you said no, you were right. Now this is a really odd word. It's an exception. That means it doesn't follow the rules. It is one syllable. It does have a short vowel sound, but it doesn't follow the rules. Yes only has one S. So that's just one we have to remember. Yes. Okay. How about the word off? Off. Well, it's one syllable. The vowel sound is short, so yes, we double the F in off. It gets a bonus letter F. Okay, one more. Shell, like what you find at the beach. What do you think? Does shell need a bonus letter? If you said yes, you are correct. Shell has two L's. Shell, it's one syllable. The vowel's making its short sound and it ends in the letter L. So it gets a bonus second L, shell. Great job. Now we get to move on to our nonsense words. So here's how we're going to do our nonsense word game. I'm going to put a word up on the screen that is made up. It's total nonsense. I made it up all by myself. And your challenge is to try and read the word. Even though the words are pretend and they don't mean anything, they still follow the rules. So see if you can read the word, and then once you have a chance to read it, I'm going to read it and you can see if you guessed the correct way to say it. Are you ready for the first word? Okay, here it is. Did you read zin? If so, you read the word correctly. Great job. Okay, time for the next word. If you read zine, then you read the word correctly. I took our word zin, I added a silent E to make the I say its name. Zine. Great. Next word. If you read this word wabe, great job, you got it right. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So I know when I see AI, I'm going to say A, wabe. All right, read this word. If you said keem, you read the word correctly. Two vowels go walking, first one does the talking, so EA says E, k, E, m, keem. Okay, now I'm going to get really tricky. Can you read this word? If you said keech, you're right. So K says K, EA says E, and the digraph CH says Ch, K, E, Ch, keech. Okay, now I know I'm really gonna stump you. Let's see if you can remember the sounds that Y makes. Read this word. If you said smy, you're correct. When Y comes at the end of a one-syllable word, it says I, I, smy. All right, let's see if you can remember another sound that Y makes with this tricky word. Did you read pelly? If you did, you're correct. When Y comes at the end of a word that's more than one syllable, then it says E. So P, E, pelly. Okay, only 3 more to go. Can you read this word? If you read rill, you're correct. 2 L's only make one sound. That is a bonus letter L. So we read r, I, l, rill. Okay, here's our next word. Did you read fell? Make sure your tongue sticks out when you say fell. If you said fell, you're right. That's another bonus L. Okay, friends, the last word for you to read is... Did you read jawl? Great job! Remember, when we see the letters A-L-L, they're a glued sound that sticks together and says all. All, jawl. Great job, readers. Thank you for playing those games with me. I hope you had fun, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!